and welcome to another one of my keyboard videos. Today, as you can see here, I've moved up in the world from my past, my previous videos where I've did demonstrations with the Yamaha PSS models and the Casio models. So I did attend another estate sale, and look what I found here. Check this thing out. This thing was sitting on a shelf for a long time, and I'm just amazed how it works. It really works. Like this, it's just unbelievable. The sound and everything. It's just beautiful. It was all dusty when I got it. I cleaned it up. I thought there was going to be some damage to the wood, and as you can see there, the wood is in beautiful shape. I mean, look at this thing. It's super clean. And this thing has just been sitting on a shelf, just kind of deteriorating. This is the only problem it has here, which kind of bothers me. But other than that, the wood and everything is just, the synthesizer is just immaculate. I mean, check this thing out. All the keys, everything. This is super clean. I couldn't even believe that this thing was just sitting like that. I mean, I got a really good price on this too. I mean, I can't believe the price I paid for it. It was just unbelievable. I mean, it was definitely like, I'm just truly happy to have my first Roland Juno 60. So let's go ahead and fire this thing up. Okay, so the on and off switch is right there. And as you can see, everything is turned on. Wow. Listen to that sound. I actually have it hooked up to my computer speakers, and it actually works. So don't think you'll need, you don't necessarily need an amplifier for this. You could just hook it up to your little headphones jack, and these two jacks here, of course, you'll hook up your amplifier. So this is just really nice. I just can't believe that I got this thing. I mean, I was like, it just totally made my week, let me tell you. So let's go ahead and the reason it's doing the constant noise is because I have this on. So in order to make the noise constant, you just hit this button here. And then here's the pitch, of course. And here's the volume. I don't want to turn the volume up because I'll probably end up blowing my speakers up. But this thing is just unbelievable. Make a lot of spaceship noise. And I'm just starting to learn how to play the keyboard, so I'm going to probably put this thing up. Well, I'm going to use it, of course. But I'm going to, just kind of clean the insides a little bit and everything. Which, as you can tell, it really doesn't need much cleaning. But I'm going to do it anyways, because this thing has just been sitting for years at the estate sale. I just couldn't believe it. They had a bunch of, they had a whole bunch of synthesizers. Here's another one that I bought too, but this one's in bad shape. This thing, it turns on and everything, but it doesn't play. And if you look here, all the keys are stuck and everything. This is a Roland U20, but I'm not going to focus on this one. I'm going to focus on this one right now because we're going to have fun. But they had a lot of synthesizers, so the guy was in a band. See, it's a little drum. Or a cap gun. Pretty cool. I'm just ecstatic. This is the organ, of course. And then that's... So it works really nice. I mean, I'm not going to really have too much to do with it. To it, rather. I've seen various videos on the Roland Juno 60, and when people get these things, normally it would be off tune and what have you. There would be a circuit, like the I believe it's, what's that chip called? A CVF chip. Quote me if I'm wrong. There's a chip in there that normally goes bad in these, and you have to replace them and everything. But in this case, I got really damn lucky. And of course, this synthesizer was used like Madonna, George Michael, Wham. Of course, you hear this synthesizer in a lot of John Carpenter movies and everything. And these synthesizers were produced back in 1982, so it's definitely solid state electronics. And all I could say here is I got really lucky to find this. I like this one definitely over the Yamaha DX7s, though I would have loved to have had the Yamaha DX7s. But, you know, I just bought too many other things. But I can just honestly say this was definitely the gold mine out of all 15 of those synthesizers sitting there. And then as far as this one, I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I hope I can get it to work. So here's bank 4. And as you can see, everything works. This thing just works beautifully. Beautiful sound to it too. Listen to that. This is the only sound you can get with the Juno 60. Trying to do a, sounds almost like John Carpenter there. So it's pretty cool, and again, you can't get any luckier than this. I'm sorry if I'm just talking here. But it looks like all the functions are working. It just needs to be tuned a little bit. The whole button's working good. Everything, as you can see there. So again, thank you for watching another one of my keyboard videos, and I will always have more like this one. And I'm trying to work on this one, and I'll let you know the progress of this Juno U20. So again, take care and happy keyboarding. Take care. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye-bye.